Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. How are you doing today? Today's topic is both for buyers and sellers. When do you start preparing your home for sale? It's the question. Yes, this is for both buyers and sellers. I mean, we've been doing this a long time 26, going 27 years, something like that. And it is still the hottest topic when I go to meet with somebody. Either they're looking to buy or they're looking to sell. So, when do you prepare your home for sale? The minute you buy it. Now, hear me out. It might sound crazy, but I'm telling you, there's two sides to every coin. When a buyer goes into a home, they go way too high for the condition. When a seller goes to sell, we don't have the money for the repairs. We don't have the money for the updates. We don't have. So what happens is when a home is not maintained every year, and I like to say every season, I don't care if you owned it for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, whatever, your value is going to go down. Yes, there's some outliers. Location, type of market we're in. But overall, the majority of homes that I see and I've seen is greatly affected by the condition. If you want top dollar, if you're looking to sell and you're not worried about top dollar, absolutely. Don't do anything. Just keep dropping the price, dropping the price, dropping the price, and then just give it away. All right? So here's some ideas. Number one, understand that home ownership is not for the weak. And what I mean by that is that it's constant work. Constant work. This weekend alone, I had to install a new sump pump. It's constant work. There's constant spending of money on the home. That's why there's always an argument on the other side of why would you buy? Why don't you just rent? Now, I'm more on the ownership side of it because I think you build equity and we can argue that one down the road. But, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to sit down and do a honest evaluation of your home. How old's the flooring? How old's the appliances? How old's the roof? How old is the landscaping? How old's the paint? When's the last time you did a deep clean? When's the last time you replaced your lighting fixtures? I can't tell you how many times I walk up to a house and it looks like the light fixtures are going to fall off because they're all rusty. I understand that's, $45 here, $45 there, $55. No big deal, no big deal. Then fix the damn thing. Fix it. If you want top dollar, take your emotion out of it and realize that buying a home and selling a home is a business. Take the emotion out of it and defend it by making sure that you put a maintenance program in place to double check your house every quarter. Take an hour. 4 hours a year. 4 hours a year, folks. There's 168 hours in a week. Walk your home. Double check. Bring an expert in. Bring somebody in. Call us. We'll come walk it with you and give you the honest truth. But still to this day, since we've been selling licensed since 1999, we still see the same things. And there's no reason for it. It's easier to save up to 100 than trying to come up with 100. So what I want you to do starting today is I want you to set up a separate bank account. Not the account you have, because you can take that out with ATM. You can take it out with checks, whatever. Separate bank account. And I want you to put a little bit of money in that account every pay period. It could be $10, $100, $20, $50. I don't care what it is. Something to put in there to start the process. So you get your gutters cleaned every year and you don't have roof damage. So to replace those dilapidated screens that look like a squirrel ate through them. So give us a call. Let us know if you want to have top dollar home sale, then you need to start now with top dollar maintenance. And it's not cheap, but it's less expensive than waiting until you put the house on the market and a buyer beats you down because of the condition. So when you get a chance, give us a call. We'd love to walk the house with you, talk to you. We'll tell you the truth. What you do is up to you. It's not our money, it's your money. But just realize If you want top dollar one day, 1 year from now, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So buyers, listen, this also pertains to you. When you buy that home, put it in place, maintain it. I don't know what the percentage is. There's very few homes that you get to walk in that is just like called move-inable. I made that word up a long time ago. Move-in ready. So hope that helps. Give us a call when you get a chance. We can get over to your house, take a look at it, and go from there because we want you to experience the benefits. God bless you. Have a good one.